Hi everyone, this is Joe. This laughter in this video is being brought to you by 5280 Skywatch Photography, otherwise known as John. You are, I'm telling you, the saddest being on the planet. I don't have pores. Holy crap, man. You better take a good look here, buddy. See? See my pores, John? You know, this ain't a mask. I mean, you know, the one crying the loudest about people wearing masks is probably the one wearing the mask. I mean, if you can't see my pores and my skin, you need help. All right, everyone. Peace, love, joy, and kindness to you all.